In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an after-hours trade on Robinhood. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what settings to confirm, and how to avoid the most common hiccup that keeps orders from filling after the closing bell. First, open the Robinhood app and log in. If you haven't used it in a while, give it a second to refresh your account data. A stable internet connection helps prevent delays as you move through the order screens. Before you place any trade, make sure extended hours trading is turned on. Go to Account, then Settings, and open Trading Settings. Look for the extended hours option and ensure it's enabled. This setting allows your orders to be eligible for execution outside the standard market session, including after hours. Without it, your order might sit until the next regular trading day. It's a quick check that saves a lot of confusion later. Now, head back to the main screen and search for the stock you want to trade. You can type its name or ticker in the search bar. Once you're on the stock's page, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct company and symbol, and glance at the after-hours price if it's available. Prices can move more quickly during extended hours, so it's worth pausing to make sure you're comfortable with what you see. Next, tap Trade and choose Buy if you want to purchase shares, or Sell if you're closing or reducing a position. This takes you to the order entry screen where you'll set your quantity and review details. Here's the important part for immediate after-hours execution. Place your order in whole shares. If you enter your trade in dollars, which creates a fractional share order, it will be queued for the market open instead of executing after hours. Sticking with a whole share amount keeps your order eligible during extended hours. If you're aiming to act right away, double check you're using shares, not dollars, before moving on. When everything looks good, review your order carefully and submit it. Confirm the ticker, the side, buy or sell, the number of shares, and the estimated cost. After-hour sessions can have wider spreads and lower liquidity, so make sure you're comfortable with the potential price movement. Once you submit, watch for confirmation that the order was received, and if it fills, that the trade executed at your expected quantity. That's it. With extended hours enabled, the right stock selected, and a whole share order placed, you're set up to trade after hours smoothly and confidently.